How to enable developer options and USB debugging on an LG phone.
Text, LG. A smartphone screen open to a developer options menu. It's toggled on. Scrolls through a long list of options.
Android devices have a menu called Developer Options, which contains a large number of settings that application developers will find useful and even necessary to test their applications. In this video, we are going to provide the steps on how to enable the Developer Options menu, as well as USB debugging, which is the most common setting needed from this menu.
Toggles USB debugging on and gets a prompt. Allow USB debugging? Cancel or OK. Back to the home screen. Open Settings. Scrolls down and goes to System. Selects Restart and Reset. Clicks Factory Data Reset.
If your LG phone experiences any malfunctions after enabling developer options or any of the settings within it, please complete a factory data reset before reaching out to customer service for assistance or warranty options.
Selects Reset Phone at the bottom.
This is because some of the settings within developer options can cause the phone to work suboptimally.
A prompt reads, Reset? Delete all data and downloaded apps? This cannot be undone. The screen goes black.
Our video linked in the description will show you how to complete a factory data reset.
Returns to home screen. Walks through the menu options to enable developer options.
To enable developer options and USB debugging, go to Settings. Then tap on System. Tap on About Phone. Tap on Software Information. And tap on Build Number repeatedly, 5 to 10 times.
A keypad appears over a black screen.
If you have a secure phone lock screen, enter your code, PIN, password, or biometric authentication. Developer Options is now enabled.
Back on the home screen.
To access Developer Options, go to Settings.
Walks through menu options.
Then tap on System and tap on Developer Options. To enable USB debugging, scroll down in Developer Options and turn on the toggle for USB debugging. Tap on OK after reading the pop-up.
The LG logo of letters L and G forming a winking face appears on screen. LG, life's good.
Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text, lg.com/us/support. Twitter, Facebook, Messenger, email, and phone icons appear. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.